Nahihirapan ka bang gumawa ng video ng business mo? Yung tipong hindi mo alam kung saan o paano magsisimula. Yung meron kang idea na gusto mong gawin pero wala kang oras mag-shoot kasi busy ka sa business mo. Or wala kang equipment or hindi mo lang talaga alam kung paano ito gawin. Well, don't worry dahil ito ang expertise namin. Spike Santillana, Creative Director and Founder of Spike Creatives, your creative marketing partner. Simple lang ang mission namin, to help business owners like you to create professional videos na hindi masakit sa bulsa.
Only $10,000! That's not so bad!
This is not your ordinary business videos. These are the videos na magko-connect talaga sa target market mo. At videos na magpapadami ng leads at sales mo. From your vision, we'll guide you through every step of the process. Research, concept, script writing, storyboarding, and shooting. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Let's bring your ideas to life and take your business to the next level.